turned out absolutely beautiful. It's got a really, really clean, formal look, but mixed with our vibe. Got some beautiful boulders in there, lots of beautiful plantings, and some fresh water. Pretty stoked about how this one turned out. Just hosed it down, got everything watered in good. We didn't put any mulch on. Their lawn care company, that pipe standing up there, there's 2 pipes. That's for our autofill, and that's the sleeve pipe to bring water up here for putting irrigation drips and hooking up to the autofill. Not a whole lot to say other than not really like it. It's beautiful. I can't wait to see this planter bed grow in and all this stuff in this basin mature. Eventually it'll all just be spilling over these walls. We got lots of beautiful plantings in this that's going to really soften up all of this hardscape. So all these boulders and blocks are going to get softened up with this beautiful stuff. We've got caladiums, sun patience, sweet flag, we got creeping king, sweet potato, a variegated sweet potato, and sun patience, the garlic, some ground covers, boxwoods, lots of beautiful stuff in here. You got this beautiful Oklahoma sparkler redbud tree. It's gonna have beautiful dark pink blooms in the springtime, early summer, and then all the new growth leaves on it with this really beautiful purple burgundy color. Just really like this tree. Real small tree, not gonna get too big for our bed, our planter bed, and just pretty stoked to see this grow in.